Hello, welcome once again to the channel of Gbope Tech Tv. Today we are going to learn how to make money online with new method. And if you are new to this channel, please kindly subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. Move it to all. Anytime that we upload a new video, you'll be notified that video is being uploaded so that you can get it to watch and make money online. We know Gbope Tech teach you how to make money online and your internet problems and what to use your internet for. So today we have a new method of making money. People has completed SHS and they're in the house, they have no work, they don't have jobs. Teachers are suffering with their salary and they say their salary is not enough for them. Now, if you know you're a teacher and your salary is not reaching you, I got you covered. I recommend this online money that I'm to teach you. Just follow what I'm doing and also do it that way and you earn money. Now for today I'm going to teach you how you are going to create this, and the following video coming I will teach you how you make more money with it. Today we are going to make money with something we call Opera Mini Hub. Now we have Opera Mini as a browser in our phones that we use to search for many things, and we don't know we can make money out from this. But today, just laugh. Your Opera Mini is going to give you money because we have more money in it that we don't know. There is this program in Opera Mini that we call Opera Mini Hub that will allow you to become a content creator by submitting articles. And when your article is being verified and approved, they will monetize it and give you money. When they say monetize means you are qualified to earn money from the work you are doing. So when your article is being monetized, they'll be paying you per viewers or like clicks that you get from your article. So for us not to waste time, let's jump to our browser and see how we are going to create this. So follow me step by step as we are going. If you know you are new to this channel, please kindly subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, move it to all, and anytime that we upload videos, you will be notified that a video is being uploaded. For us not to waste time, we'll move on. If you also know you don't understand anything, please just comment below on the comment box and I will attend to you and answer every questions of you. And I recommended your comment a lot because that is what is directing us to do what you want, because the viewers, if you are not there, we are not there. Please join our channel to also make your money online and learn online. Use your phone to run profit, not to run loss, because we buy a phone with an amount of maybe high price and you can't earn anything from it. It's done. So whether you are using iPhone or Android phone, boom, you are going to earn money with this. So for us not to waste time, please subscribe and follow. If you like this video too, I'd like you to give us a thumbs up, which is just like this video, and the video can go viral for others to drop. So I recommended Chrome for you because Chrome can let you change your phone into a PC version. So you just tap your Chrome browser. Now go to the search box of your Chrome. Now type www.operamini-hub.com operamini-hub.com and search. Now just tap on the first one, Opera News Hub. So tap on it. When it's finished loading, I'm having low internet connection today. It's like today our data is running low. Now here they say become a creator. Opera News empowers you to turn your creative passion into driven career. So now simplify workflow, create and manage your content with simple tools. And now dependable revenue, generate predictable recurring revenue from your creative work. And the last one, expand your reach, get more influence opportunities and access from over 300 million Opera Mini users. So this some of what we have for you as a pro. If you want, you can use your Facebook to register or your Google account. Now I'm going to show you how you are going to create this. So if you know you are not having Gmail account, just comment below. I'll teach you how to create your Gmail account. As you're having your Gmail account and you want to use Gmail account, just tap on log in with Gmail. So let's tap on log in. My network is slowing. Having bad data connection today. I'm coming. Let me check my bundle. Now tap on log in with Gmail. So it will read like this. It will open to a different page. Now wait, don't go nowhere. Still follow the steps. Now they said sign up with your Gmail account. These are some of my Gmail accounts. If I want, I can use a different one. So all this I use them to register. So because of this purpose, let's use a different Gmail account. Let me use this one. The network is running low. Now the registration journey begin. They ask you to upload your picture and your name is Akabeneza Junior as the name on your Gmail account. Now you select your country. I'm from Ghana. I'll select Ghana and confirm. Now press next. Now this pick a username, select a category. This category is telling you what article you are going to write about. Whether you want to write about politics or policy, public safety, entertainment, sports, lifestyle, relationship and parenting, health and fitness, business and industrial, economy, religion and belief, career and jobs, society news, education, fashion and beauty, pest and animals, technology, motor vehicles, food and drinks, others. So if you want, you can put order or whatever you want to select about. So now you finish, you upload a picture here or whatever, a picture here. Now you put your biography, what you are doing. So to get verified, you put your username here, any name you want to be used for logging in that you can remember. So you select your category. Let me select sports. When you select what you want and put maybe Gbope Tech TV. Let's just do Gbope Tech. Upload a video, a picture here. Let me upload Gbope Tech there. Let's go. Let me just upload this picture for this creating purpose. Now you join it, Gbope Tech. If I want, I can even add a TV, Gbope Tech TV. So I will now type in my bio. I'll put blogger. You put blogger there. Now tap in next. The biography must be between 10 to this words. He said now you enter your biography like your whereabout. I'm a blogger and graphic designer. So now you ask you to put your legal first name. Let me tell you this, put the legal first name of your ID card. Put your last name, enter your email address. The email you just put it, just enter your email account. Now enter, select the kind of ID you want, whether it's your international passport, your TIN number or your national ID card. So The name in any of this ID number is what I so you put the ID number here and your phone number. Now you put your phone number here. Here will be your phone number and here will be your ID number. When you finish, you press next. Now when you press next, everything is finished. So because I'm having an account, I will not register and I'll show you how the dashboard is when you finish logging in. You don't worry, let me put any fucking legal name here and then put Gbope and put email address. That's in Cabaneza Junior. Put Gbope here. Put last name Tech. I'm telling you to put your real name in your identity because that is what they are going to use to verify you. If the name in your ID card is not what you use for this, they will not verify your account. If you are not being verified, you cannot become an article writer or whatever. You can't be the content creator and they'll pay you. So now you put your ID number here. Let me just put anything. Just for this, I don't know whether because I'm putting the wrong ID to come. So valid number, I'll put 54, put 05 05424746778. There's someone number I don't know. Let me tap next. The ID number they will say they are not qualified. Okay, I kept any ID number and it has done. So you put your Momo where they are going to pay you. Now link payment, make sure you always get paid on time. So you put your Momo number or your bank account number. So when it is monthly, they'll pay you. So I recommend Momo for you because that is what you can receive it easily. For 10 days, you put any Momo number, and if it's someone who refer you, for you not to waste like finding a referral code to suffer, just go to the description below of this video, tap on the link of that to take you to the registration button. When you reach here, the referral code itself will be on this book, so you just accept, agree and confirm next. Now when you confirm, you are done. You go to the button. This is how it is, and they'll tell you unless your account is being verified. So let me log in into my account and show you. I'm having one account that I created for this person which is not verified. So let me log into it so you see how it will look like when you are not yet verified. I'll show you something. The network is slow in place. You guys forgive me. Today our network here is bad. When it reads and goes, you see that on top of the right corner, let me off my data. I want it to come so I'll teach you guys so you not make a mistake by losing your everything. This pays well. Many people make more money from it. Others can earn 1,500 a month, and others can make more than 2,000 plus. Some used to make 3,000 when you make a hard work. Just make sure your articles are nice and they are not copied from somewhere. So all time you can go around. If you just come from school or somewhere, anywhere, you can just go around and and check around and get some news and write it well. Make sure your punctuation marks are all working correctly and everything of yours is in contact. So when you submit it, you know this is a correct news. So they're going to pay by your category. See it. This account was used and it has been rejected because I did not use a correct category. So these are what I used and I did not use correct details. So when your account is not yet verified, this has to look like your account was rejected due to incorrect information. Please fill in again. So unless I fill in the correct information before they can verify, see they kept something here. So let me log out and log in into my verify account, and you see how it looked like. So I'm to sign in into my main account, the one that I'm using now, that I ever draw from. So this month what I've been able to generate is what I'm going to show you, because I did not have more time for it to write articles, because now doing these videos and all the works are now plenty. So sorry, this is now the one I'm using. This is my main. You see it has been verified. I published 12 articles and 2 followers. I follow 2 people and 17 people are following me. So my category is about, I said I'm a story and content writer. So health and fitness, and this is my Opera link. This is the link that you're going to use to come here. So my name is Elijah, national ID card, and this is my ID number. This and my mobile money number is this. So this is how my account look like. Now I'm going to show you how you are going to make the money now. Now what you're going to do is, when you have been able to be verified and you will start this content creator journey, you see we have create here, library, monetization, and the last one, academy. Now the academy, they said soon the future is coming soon, so we are about to create our destiny. So you type in here, put your article here. At least you upload one feature. When you want to upload, you tap on the gallery symbol here. So the symbol there that look like gallery, so that's why. So you put add title to your article. Now when you finish, you press next. So when you press next, it will move you. Let me just write something here. Add a picture. Let me add picture, any picture. Let me write something here, something here, and press next. Now they ask you to put what people see and like your article. So you put the topics where you want, people can find it. So you can put any topics you want. When you finish, you tap on the submit, and it will what? Submit. When they submit, you wait. It will be like this. They rejected some of my articles. You see this one yesterday I uploaded, they rejected. This one they rejected. This one was published. This one is rejected. So it will be on pending. So when you qualify it, they will set publish. So when you publish, you see 9 days ago, reach 1,000 and something people that go reach the clicks 100 and something and share. So when the people like your article and recommend it, click and share it, many people will get it. So the more people you reach, the more money you make. So this is the amount I've been able to, the monetization. But this month I'm having 10 Ghana cedis. So if the month go to the end, this only this 10 Ghana cedis that I made, they'll pay it through my one money on the 23rd of every month. 23rd of every month they'll pay it into your one money. So you come here, see the details that they have paid. The one that I was using was an old account, but I lost the Gmail account. I forgot our password and everything. So this is a new account I just created. So if you know you don't have any work in the house, please try to use this and make more money. People are earning more money from it. The next time I'll show you how you can get your articles, and you'll be posting them here. Thank you, and God bless you, or goodbye.